आमचे तर फोन ते उखलाना, जर ते फोन उखलाना जाल्यार तो फोन त्या टेबलार फोन जाय तरी कित्याक.
I'm staying on the first floor, and we are not getting water for now past so many years. Every second day we have to have a tanker. Our money is going for the tankers only. We cannot maintain our building.
गेल्या 2 महिन्या पयलीं आमी सगळे आमदारा कडेन येयल्ले आनी आमदाराक उतर दिल्लें हेंच्यांनी की आमी उदीक आतां सारकी तुमकां सोडटले म्हणून. तेन्ना मोर्चा येयल्या उपरांत फक्त म्हाका दिसता 8 दीस उदीक आमकां सारकें दिल्लें आसा आनी आतां परत तेच खबरी जाल्ले आहा.
आमकां प्रायवेट टँकर हाडचे पडटा. भुरगीं सकाळीं फुडें टॉयलेटीन वचत जाल्यार उदकूच ना, तें कितें करपाचें आमी?
आनी आमी आयज हांगा कंप्लेन दिवपाक गेली उदकाची. आमच्या लोकांक उदक आसना आनी जेन्ना आमी कंप्लेन दिता तेन्ना 2 दीस आमकां उदक येता, मागीर आमकां उदक आसना.
I've written several complaints to even to the assistant engineer. No effect at all. We have got no water for the last 4 days. Now there is no water. The water came on Wednesday, last Wednesday.
PWDचो इंजिनियर म्हणटा आरोप सारखे न्ही. परवरे थारायल्ल्या कॅपॅसिटी प्रमाण उदका पुरवण जाता.
Absolutely, there is no problem in Paruri. There are some minor problem here and there where there is choke up, where there is scattered problem, where there is pipeline leakage, pipeline blockage, and breakdowns. All that things are there. With all that, there will be some here and there. Otherwise, about 15 to 16 mld water we are given to Paruri presently. So, what problem they say? Whatever the list is given, these are all bulk consumers. Having each building having 60, 70 flats. So 40, 30, like that, big flats.
And they are having 5 connections.
And that building is also there in that list.
In that, all that, this thing also there. So, see, otherwise, individually, absolutely there is no problem. See, they want, for entire capacity of 30, 40, means 40, 50 cubic meters they are asking, which we are not able to give. So much of water for the building. We can give, see, 15 mld means we are awarding to the consumers, we are having about 17,000 consumers here. So with that 15 to 16 mld water, that means more than 250 LPCD we are giving.
बारीक सारीक रुटीन प्रॉब्लेम असता ते इंजिनियर अटेंड करतात. मात मोठे मोठे हाऊसिंग प्रोजेक्ट येऊंक लागले जाल्यार PWD कडेन उपाय ना.
Yeah, some building means they are given all this one. See, Salson Residency, it is a complex. Okay, Shettier Residency complex, Prabhu Residency complex. Then Darlin, what is this? Sapna Garden. These are all big habitats.
Rahul apartment, Parwari, Ritza Classic, Salsen.
See, this what he has given is totally
all
bulk
commercial bulk
where they are getting water, which we are sending tanker also. So this is all they say. Just wanted to say complain that there is no water like that. Otherwise, we are giving sufficient water.
उदक आणि लाईटीच्या पुरवण्याची कॅपॅसिटी पळय नासतना टाउन कंट्री प्लॅनिंग आणि पंचायतींनी एकार एक प्रोजेक्ट पास केले का हीच परिस्थिती गोंयभर सगळे कडेन जावपाची. प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.